Dear teachers and students, Namaskar. Today we will discuss a very important subject, the subject of innovation. Often people ask, what is innovation? Can everybody innovate? The answer is certainly yes. So at the end of this session, you will be convinced that there are enough opportunities for each one of us to innovate in many ways. So let me start with three student incidents. The three students who actually went through innovation process. First, I will start with Shalini Kumar. Shalini Kumar was a school student, and she was one of the students who was very innovative. And in each of these cases, what I will do is I will give you what is the innovation they came up and how did they do it. So Shalini Kumar found that there are many elderly people who use walker when they get aged, which is very common, which you and I have also seen many times. But one of the problems which she saw, elderly using, particularly with